English Step by Step, How to Use a and the, Step 6. In this video, I'm going to go through the answers to a practice exercise. You can find the practice exercise in the Step 5 video. Make sure you watch the other videos in this series to see examples with practice exercises and explanations. So here are the answers to the practice exercise in the Step 5 video. Number 1. I ate too much and got, well, in this case we have to talk about indigestion. Here there is no article. Number 2. I have something questions to ask you. Now here the only word that fits is thousand. And remember, here we need to say 1,000. I have 1,000 questions to ask you. Number 3. I studied too much and got, well, in this case it's headache. And this word always has an article. A headache. I studied too much and got a headache. Number 4. I would find it difficult to enjoy life without, and here we have music. Now that's music in general, so we don't use an article. Number 5. I'd like something for my shopping. Well, in this case, bag. And in this case, we need to say a bag, because we're talking about the bag for the first time. Number 6. I'm not really something, I like reading. Well, in this case, sporty person. And that's a type of person, so we need to say a sporty person. I'm not really a sporty person. Number 7. It was a perfect day without something in the sky. And in this case, cloud. And we're talking about one, a cloud, without a cloud in the sky. Number 8. My brother is, and in this case we're talking about a job, and that's electrician. And because it's a job, we have to put in the indefinite article, an electrician. Number 9. Now this one you can see is an exclamation, and we have to put in here. And we have to use a for exclamations. So let's just put in that exclamation mark too. And that is, of course, the name of a famous song, What a Wonderful World. So there you have the answers with examples of when to use a and when we don't use an article. So that brings us to the end of this Step 6 video on how to use a and the. And you can watch the other videos in this series for more examples, more explanations and more practice exercises. And please click like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and you can request a lesson in the comments below.